Very good morning, student. How are you all? First of all, I congratulate you to come for a new class, class 5. Today, students will start study about the chapter 2, map, and the subtopic is globes and maps. Here you can see, and there's a map here. Okay. As you have already studied about the globe, that is the globe is a small model of the earth. Its most accurate way to looking at the size, shape, location of places. Here you can see that we can see all the countries in the world and the location of oceans, seas, we can see it here. But students, there are some shortcomings with the globes. Look at here. Students, can you carry this globe everywhere? Can you keep this globe in your pocket or a bag? No, I think it is not possible with you that we cannot carry to everywhere. Really, it is difficult to carry a globe around everywhere. It is not possible to see of the earth's surface at the same time. Suppose we are talking about this here. We are talking about India. This is visible to us. This side is visible to us, but this back side is not visible to us. We cannot see the other side of the earth's surface. It cannot show detailed information. Here, students, you can see that this is a map of India. It is location of India. Here it mentions few cities, famous cities of India, but it is not giving a detailed information about India. So globes, there are some shortcomings with these globes. We cannot see the detailed information about the particular country or a place. To avoid these problems, we normally use map instead of globe. Here you can see the difference. If we are talking about the country India, I have mentioned all the states here, and it is very visible and it is very clear to you all. So through the map we can study a detailed information. Yes, do you know what is the meaning of map? A map is a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface such as sheet of paper. Yes, हम लोग मैप किस पे बनाते हैं? आपको सबको पता है, हम शीट या पेपर्स पे मैप बनाते हैं, and it is a flat surface. Okay, but here is some problem with the maps also. You cannot flatten out the earth's surface and show it accurately, so there is some errors in the shape and size of land masses in maps. Here, student, you can see that it is a globe and it is not flattened at the tops. Okay, but when we make a map, we cannot make a flat surface or flatten out at the top. तो जो मैप्स हम जब बनाते हैं तो उसके साइज में और शेप्स में थोड़े से एरर हमें आ जाते हैं. ठीक है, दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लम व्हेन वी यूज द मैप. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, you can see different types of maps. We will talk about this. Physical map, political map, and thematic maps. Physical map, maps showing natural features of land such as mountains, rivers, and plain, known as a physical map. Take an example. We'll talk about the Maharashtra. We'll take a special physical map for the Maharashtra. In this physical map, we can see all the plain, mountains, and physical features of Maharashtra. Political map, map showing boundaries of the countries and state and some important cities, known as a political map. A map which I have pasted here. See, it is mentioned over here also. It is a political map. In this political map, it shows you different countries also, that states and its important cities. Here I just mentioned in the state of Rajasthan, it's mentioned Jaipur. It is in this Uttar Pradesh, it's New Delhi. So in this way, this map is called a political map, which gives us the information about the state, cities, and the country. Thematic map, maps which are based on theme or a topic are called thematic map, such as shows forest area, distribution, or minerals industries. Take an example of state of Madhya Pradesh. If we are making the map or we are studying the map about its which is showing a forest area, distribution of minerals, कितने वहाँ minerals के sources हैं, how many industries are in the state of Madhya Pradesh. This type of a map is on the theme based map. It is called the thematic maps. Thank you, students. Hope so you can clear your doubts at the end of this. Here we have studied about the globes and the shortcomings of globes. Map is a drawing on the earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface such as a sheet of a paper. Now we have studied about the different types of a map: physical, political and thematics. Hope so you have enjoyed this video, and your doubts would be clear by this video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.